Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix being connected to Wi-Fi, but having no internet access. All right, let's begin. First, click on the Wi-Fi icon on your MacBook and turn Wi-Fi off completely. Wait around 5 seconds, then turn Wi-Fi back on and reconnect to your network. Sometimes, simply restarting the Wi-Fi connection can solve the issue immediately. If that doesn't work, open the Settings app on your MacBook and go to the Wi-Fi section. Make sure Wi-Fi is enabled and connected to the correct network. Next, click on the Details or Advanced Settings for your Wi-Fi connection and head over to the DNS section. If you already have DNS servers listed, remove them by selecting each one and pressing the minus icon. After that, click the plus icon and add the following DNS servers: 8.8.8.8 and then 8.8.4.4. These are Google's public DNS servers and can often fix internet connection problems. Once you've added them, save your changes and reconnect to your Wi-Fi network. Your internet connection should now start working properly again. So that's basically how you can fix being connected to Wi-Fi but having no internet access. That's it for this video. Thanks.